What if the person claiming to be the victim of an assassination attempt was actually the one who pulled the trigger? Well, that's the explosive allegation at the center of a case that has shocked South Africa, and now Brown Mogotsi has suffered a major setback after the Johannesburg Magistrates Court denied his bail application. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking news updates. Northwest businessman and alleged political fixer Brown Mogotsi will remain behind bars after the court ruled that he should not be released on bail while awaiting trial. The court found that Mogotsi failed to provide accurate residential information and agreed with the state's concerns that he could potentially evade trial if released. Prosecutors argued that there were serious questions surrounding his credibility and the information he provided to investigators. Mogotsi is facing several charges, including perjury, defeating the ends of justice, unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition, and discharging a firearm in a public place. These charges stem from allegations that he staged his own assassination attempt in Vosloorus in November 2025. According to the state, eyewitnesses allegedly saw Mogotsi stop his vehicle, get out, and fire shots at his own car before later claiming that unknown attackers had tried to kill him. Prosecutors also told the court that CCTV footage and witness statements support their version of events. The state further alleged that Mogotsi attempted to bribe a police officer connected to the investigation and provided authorities with an incorrect residential address. These allegations played a significant role in the court's decision to refuse bail.
The investigating officer visited all these addresses. The first one, number 4454, it does not belong to the applicant. And there is an affidavit of the owner of this house, Tandiwe Winnie-Sinokwane, confirming that he is the owner and he stays there. Applicant does not stay there. The second property, which is pin location, the house number is 4544. According to the investigating officer, this house 4544 Mogotsi Close. The said house belonged to Mafikeng municipality and it has been leased to 18 Kodi. As I've already said, that there is a tax proof of invoice to prove that it is registered under 18 Kodi as a tenant. Therefore, this court found that the addresses provided by the applicant are not correct. And they does not belong to the applicant. And I'll say why. Because of 4454 Mushu Street is the same house number that is stated in the lease agreement. (4454) is in the same lease agreement, and the said 4454, it doesn't belong to the applicant. It belongs to Tandiwe Winnie-Sinokwane, not to the applicant. The second property of the pin location, it belongs to 80 Kodi, and the house number is 4544 Mogotsi, Unit 13, Mabatu. When I look also at the other addresses, according to the complainant, according to the applicant, with the PIN location, as well as the annexure, which is OBM5. The house number is 4545 Mogotsi Close. There are 3 different addresses provided by the applicant. 4454 Moshu Street belongs to Tandiwe. 4544 belongs to 8 4545 Mogotsi Close. All 3 addresses, they don't correspond. The applicant failed to prove before this court that he has a proper address. The court cannot accept the applicant version that it is an error by the landlord to write a wrong address as house number 4454 in the lease agreement. The applicant failed to call this landlord, Mr. Mogotsi, to confirm that indeed they have this agreement, the lease agreement. Therefore, the court found that there is no proper address for the applicant, and it will be difficult for the state to trace him, and there may be a likelihood that he will evade his trial. Therefore, interest of justice does not permit his release, as there is no proper address. Bail is denied.
Mr. Court, please.
What is the position?
Your worship, the letter may then be remanded maybe for a week for disclosure.
Mogotsi has denied all wrongdoing. Through his legal team, he insists that the case against him is based on speculation and weak evidence. He has also rejected claims that he staged the incident. Despite those arguments, the magistrate ruled against granting bail, meaning Mogotsi will remain in custody as the criminal case continues. His legal team has already indicated that they intend challenging the bail refusal, setting the stage for another legal battle in the coming weeks. What do you think about this case? Do you believe the state has enough evidence, or do you think Brown Mogotsi deserves bail while awaiting trial? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.